Hi guys, welcome back to Lytical Preps. So this is the part 2 of the trigonometry we did. Good. So the question is a ladder 8.5 meter long lays against a vertical wall. The top, which is T, of the ladder makes angle of 58 degrees with the wall. How far, correct to one decimal place, is the foot of the ladder from the wall? Okay, good. Please, like I said, if you haven't watched the part 1, kindly do that so that you get more info from there. We are going to need some of the informations of what we learned to continue with this. Okay, good. So we have to sketch and see how it will look like. So we are having a ladder and a vertical wall, okay? And as usual, you know that a wall and a ladder, they all stand on the ground. So this is our ground. Then you see that this is our wall. Okay, so the wall. Then let's sketch our ladder. So this is our ladder. And we are saying that a ladder, and this ladder is 8.5 meters. 8.5 meters. Good. So you can see that the wall and the ground, they meet at a certain point, okay? And so you can see that this, okay, so it makes an angle of what? 90 degrees. So we can assume, or we can say that this is shape of what? A right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. Now, they also gave us, please don't forget, they said the top is T. So we can say that here is T. So it makes an angle of 58 with the wall. So this is what they are talking about. The angle the ladder makes with the wall, 58 degrees. Good. Good. And they say the foot, F. Is that all? So we're asked to calculate how far, correct to one decimal place, the foot of the ladder. Okay, so we are from the wall. So this is what we are looking for. So we can say that let x is equal to the foot of the ladder from the wall. So we can make here x. You can name it x. So from the diagram, we have been given our O, right? Which is the opposite. So from this diagram, the face which is facing the angle given is x. So we say that it's our opposite. So the opposite is x. Let's see our hypotenuse, the longest side which is facing the right angle. So okay, so there's it. 8.5 meters. Then our adjacent, which is where the two angles lies on, there's 8. We don't know, so it wasn't given to us. We may not even need it because we are looking for the foot. Okay, so already let's form our trig ratios. We have so ka twa with it. So this our so ka twa. Please, if you don't understand how we came about this so ka twa, kindly visit our previous video on trigonometry. Okay, I hope you get it there. Good. So we are asked to calculate the distance to one decimal place from the foot of the pole from the wall. Okay, so this is the side we are looking for. So we can use the relation this and this, or this and this. But don't forget, this was not given. This side, which is the adjacent, was not given. So let's think about using these two sides, the hypotenuse and the opposites. Okay, in this SOHCAHTOA, which one contains the hypotenuse and the opposite? So the first one is the sine, yeah, opposite and not the hypotenuse. So we can use the sine, which is so. And we know that so stands for sine, which is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So with the relation to the angle, you can say that sine 58 degrees, which is equal to our opposite. So opposite is x. So x on our hypotenuse is 8.5, which is 8.5. So we need to simplify things out here. So we can multiply both sides by 8.5. Okay, good. So when you multiply both sides by 8.5, we are going to make x the subject. Clear? So when you multiply both sides by 8.5, we are getting 8.5 multiplied by sine 58 degrees, which is equal to x. Now you take your calculator, you multiply 8.5 times sine 58 degrees, and we are getting in one decimal place, correct, to one decimal place, we are getting 7.2 meters. Okay, don't forget the unit is meters. We are working under meters or in meters. Okay guys, this is your trial question. Make sure you try it. You leave your answer in the comment section, but please, it's very important, make sure you subscribe. Okay, so the question is, a ladder 10 meters long rests against a vertical wall so that the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall is 4.5 meters. 1. Find the angle the ladder makes with the wall. 2. Find the height above the ground at which the upper end of the ladder touches the wall. Thank you.